Today for my core math final project, I will be talking about probability and the law of large numbers. One day, I was shooting around the basketball when I decided I wanted to test my own shot percentage. In my first round of shooting, I shot 2 for 10. In my second round of shooting, I shot 25 for 50. The second round of shots represents a more accurate shot percentage because it has a larger number of shots taken. I was wondering if there was some sort of mathematical explanation for this when I remembered a law that Professor Mendonça informed us about, the law of large numbers. The first thing I did was look up what is the law of large numbers. The law of large numbers is a theorem that is used to describe an increased accuracy and probability when there is an increase in the times the experiment was tested. The next thing I decided to look up was who proved that this law was true. Jacob Bernoulli grew up in a family with several profound Swiss mathematicians, so his father decided to push forward that he followed in their footsteps. He first decided to study both philosophy and theology, then branched off to become a mathematician on his own. After his college years, he decided to travel throughout Europe, where he learned to study and teach more mathematicians. During these travels is when he discovered and to prove the law of large numbers to be true. An example of this law is shown here by these coins. On the left, 20 coins are flipped. 55% of these coins are heads, and 45% of these coins are tails. Of the 5 coins on the right, 66% are heads, and 33% are tails. This shows that the more accurate percentage is when there are more experiments done on the left side. Out of the many attributes of truth, good, and beauty, the attribute that best represents this law is accuracy. Accuracy best represents this law because it shows that a mean is more accurate when there are more experiments done. Another trait that well represents this law is reliability. This law provides a reliable basis for the mathematicians to trust an average with more experiments done over an average with less experiments done.